We can all use an extra bit of confidence in every part of our lives, at work, at school, or even in social gatherings. Because when Blake Lively said, "The most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence," I can assure you that he damn well knew what he was talking about. Want to become more confident and secure at work? These psychological tricks will help. 1. Dress the part. Think about that one time when you put on an outfit that made you feel fantastic. Maybe it was a well-fitted suit, a stylish dress, or your favorite pair of jeans. Remember how you stood a little taller, smiled a bit more, and felt ready to take on the world? That's the power of dressing confidently. The idea that you get a confidence boost when wearing clothes you love isn't just a marketing ploy. It's backed by science. The truth is that your fashion choices can do more than just make you look good. They can also impact how you feel, how you perform at work, and interact with other people. Slipping into clothes that are both stylish and comfortable is like giving your brain a warm, cozy hug. Your brain registers this comfort as a positive experience, and that's where dopamine comes into play. Feeling confident in your appearance also changes your entire mindset. When you're strutting your stuff in an outfit that makes you feel like $1,000,000, it changes how you view yourself. You start believing in yourself, and that newfound self-assuredness can lead to success in all sorts of areas, especially at work. So, next time you're choosing an outfit, remember that you have to look good to feel good. 2. Set realistic goals. We all have big dreams, those gigantic mountains we want to conquer in our lives. But if we're being real, standing at the base of that mountain and looking up can be downright overwhelming. That is where the magic of breaking down those big dreams into bite-sized, achievable goals comes into play. Think of your goals as a video game. You don't start with the most challenging level right away. You begin with the easy ones. Each level you conquer is a win that motivates you to tackle the next challenge. So instead of constantly gazing up at that intimidating mountain, shift your focus to the small milestones along the way. Each step you take not only gets you closer to your ultimate goal, but spikes your confidence along the way. 3. Be your own personal cheerleader. When you're bombarded with self-doubt, your confidence often takes a hit. Those pesky negative thoughts can make you believe you're not up to the challenge. So, if you really want to get your confidence levels up, you first have to replace the negative voices in your head with positive ones. And the first step to doing this is to be your own cheerleader. Being your personal cheerleader isn't about denying your challenges or pretending they don't exist. It's about acknowledging them and choosing to focus on the potential for improvement. It's like planting seeds of confidence in your mind, and with time, those seeds grow into strong, self-assured beliefs. Now here's the beauty of it. The more you practice positive self-talk, the more it becomes a natural part of your thought process. Over time, you'll find yourself automatically responding to challenges with words of encouragement rather than doubt. So, the next time that inner critic tries to bring you down, fight back by being your cheerleader. Because with each positive affirmation, you're building a foundation of confidence that will support you in everything you do. 4. Celebrate your little wins. Believe it or not, it's the little wins that add up to make the biggest difference in the grand scheme of life. Some of these victories may seem like tiny pebbles compared to the mountain you're climbing, but guess what? They're worth celebrating, and here's why. When you achieve something, no matter how small, your brain mentally gives you a high five and produces dopamine as a reward. This dopamine doesn't just make you excited, it makes you believe in yourself more. Because if you did it once, then you can do it again and again. It's like building a treasure chest of confidence, one small win at a time. And by acknowledging and celebrating even the tiny victories, you're making that treasure chest overflow with gems of self-belief. 5. Be kind to yourself. Self-compassion and confidence are like best buds. When you are kind to yourself, you're actually laying the foundation for more confidence to blossom. We're all human, and that means we're not perfect. We make mistakes sometimes, and it's just part of our journey. But how you respond to these hiccups can make all the difference. When you make a mistake or encounter a rough patch, self-compassion encourages you to say, "It's okay, everyone messes up sometimes." Self-compassion also helps shut down self-criticism. You know, that inner voice that says you're not good enough or you'll never make it. Self-compassion turns that voice into a safe place that makes you go easy on yourself. That switch from self-criticism to self-kindness makes it easier to build and maintain confidence. So when it comes to building confidence, you first have to believe in yourself. And you can't believe in yourself if you aren't kind to yourself now, can you? 6. Get off social media. Over the years, social media has given a lot of folks voices and an opportunity to put themselves out there. But on the flip side, it's also one of the leading causes of self-esteem issues in today's world. As you browse through social media, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of measuring yourself against the highlights of others. All that comparison can make you doubt yourself, question your choices, and wonder if you're falling behind in the happiness race. The key to not getting trapped in is to keep it real and find a balance between your online and offline life. Remember that everyone has their ups and downs, even if they don't always post about them. 7. Don't be afraid to fail. You know what they say, if you haven't failed, then you haven't tried hard enough. As strange as it may sound, failure is like the secret sauce of success. It might not be the tastiest thing on its own, but it's absolutely necessary to achieve your goals. When you're comfortable with the possibility of stumbling, you actually become more resilient. It's a bit like learning to get back up after taking a spill off your bike. You start to realize that those setbacks don't define you. Instead, they become stepping stones that help you cross the river of self-doubt. And as you go along, you're tackling challenges with more confidence and less worry. 8. Step out of your comfort zone. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through experience. And one of the best ways to do that is by challenging your comfort zone. Each time you take a step beyond what's comfortable, it's like adding a brick to the fortress of your confidence. Whether it's trying a new hobby, speaking in public, or taking on a challenging project at work, each of these moments is a chance to flex your confidence-building muscles. The beauty of stepping outside your comfort zone is that it's a bit like a muscle. The more you step beyond your comfort zone, the stronger your confidence becomes. And over time, those nerve-wracking challenges begin to feel like a stroll in the park, and your confidence soars to new heights. 9. Build your competence. Imagine your life as a grand adventure, filled with challenges and opportunities. To embark on this journey with confidence, you need the right tools. And one of the most crucial tools is competence. Competence is essentially your ability to handle the tasks and challenges that life throws your way. And the more you invest time in developing your skills, the more competent you become at handling these situations. When you know you have the skills and knowledge to handle challenges, you approach life with a sense of assurance. As a result, competence becomes the backbone of your confidence. 10. Surround yourself with positive energy. Humans are social chameleons. In other words, we often mirror the energy and traits of the people and environments around us. So when you intentionally choose to surround yourself with cheerful, supportive, and encouraging folks, their positivity rubs off on you. They inspire you to reach for the stars, remind you of your goals, and provide that extra push you need when your confidence runs low. On the flip side, negative people can hold you back and make you doubt yourself. Their negativity can seep into your thoughts and make you second-guess yourself. Therefore, it's crucial to be mindful of the kind of energy you let in your space. Because they can build your confidence, but they can also wreck it to the ground in a snap.